Pretty excited. Look what I got. Okay, let's see what's inside. Ooh, that one sounds yummy. Perfect as a tea cocktail, huh? Cardamom rose, purple jasmine, yummy gingerbread. Ooh, strawberry basil sounds great. Blueberry crumble, yummy. Champagne raspberry. Sangria sorbet. Oh, here's number one. Oh, I didn't notice that was on the back. Coconut chai. I'm looking forward to that one. Number 18, apple cinnamon coffee cake. Berry rhubarb. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Peachy keen. Purple chocolate. I'm a chocolate lover. Yummy. Oh, not till day 21. Oh, I'm gonna have to wait. Lemon loaf. I'm a lemon lover too. Poinsettia. Poinsettia. I think I said it wrong the first time. And that's number 23. And number 24. Roasted chestnut. I am looking forward to trying all of these. On my countdown to Christmas, I'll have a cup of one of these each day, and I'll be letting you know what I think of them. This is from the TeaTime in Scottsdale. I recently visited there, and I saw that they had this advent calendar of teas, so I decided to try it out. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited.